Hello guys, welcome to our channel. We solve programming questions here, and today we'll be doing the Lead Code May Challenge series latest question. So yeah, let's go check that out. So this is the question: kth smallest element in a BST. So we've been given the BST, and we've given the value of k. We need to find out the kth smallest element from the BST. So as we all know that BST has this property that the in-order traversal of any binary search tree gives us a sorted list, right? So we'll use that and find out the kth element from it, and yeah, let's go do that. So we've got the root, so we can write an output array. We'll take the in-order traversal in this array and find out the kth element from this array, and we can write define in order root and yeah array, because we need to, instead of printing the in order traversal, we'll be appending the values in the array. So first of all, if root dot left in order root dot left array, otherwise just append it array dot append root dot val, and if root dot right, we can write in order root dot right array. So that's basically our in order traversal. Let's just print this array and check out whether we're getting a sorted array or not. Just to let you guys know, I'll just print out any random answer just to let you guys know that we are getting a sorted array out of this. So we can see that my answer 1. Okay, what is I'll just check this out. Yeah, let's run it again. Okay, I got the error. It is a very noob mistake. I didn't call out the function itself, and yeah, we're good to go. Just print the array after this, and yeah, let's get to know. See, we've got a sorted array, right? So now our task is to print out the kth element. So k is basically 1, that means, and it's printing out 1, so k is 1 based indexing. So we need to just return the k minus 1th index element, and I'll just check whether k is correct or not. Yeah, k is correct. So let's just run this code. And it's correct. We can just test out for some other test cases also. This is a good thing, rather than just jumping into the submit button. Yep, so let's submit this, and it's accepted, right? So thank you guys. Next time I'll come with a different question. Thanks for watching.